Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add a camera shake effect on your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are. And now from here, what we're going to do is first, we're going to add adjustment layer into our timeline right here. So to do that, all you have to do is find your project panel. And below that, you can see this button right here, new item. So if you can see this button, all you have to do is expand your project panel so that you can see this button, and you will click on it and go for adjustment layer, and then you want to click OK. And after that, you want to put your adjustment layer on top of your clip that you want to apply a camera shake on. So for example, it will be this one, and I want to begin my camera shake at the beginning, so I'm going to be putting my adjustment layer in the beginning because that is where I want it to begin. And after that, we're going to add a directional blur into our adjustment layer. So we're going to go into our effects panel, and we have our directional blur right here. All you have to do is search for it right here, directional blur, and drag it here into your adjustment layer. And after that, you want to edit your effects right here. So you want to go into effects control of your adjustment layer right here, and you want to edit the blur length. So in my case, I like it to be 30, but you can also edit it to be like this or like that, depending on your taste or your preference. So in my case, I'll just go with 30. And for the direction, I want it to be like this right there. I want it to be like that. And yeah, you can also edit however you want it. You can just adjust it according to your taste. So this is my go-to. So this is what I want. And after that, I want to place my playhead at the beginning of the adjustment layer, and then press right arrow key once so that it would move one frame. And then I want to cut it, and then one frame again, and cut it again, and one frame again, cut it, move and cut, move and cut. And after that, I can now delete the excess. And after that, I want to delete the between clips or every other clips right there. And I have now deleted it. And now we have this effect right here. And when I play it, it would be like this. As you can see, there is a shake, and you can just duplicate them how many you want. And it depends on how much you want shake right there, how much you want it to last. You can do it like this. And it would be now like this. As you can see, there's a shake right there. And you can adjust the directional blur or something like that. And you can just erase them if it's not to your taste. Then you can just adjust it back right here. Maybe you can do it like this one. Or maybe you could add more blur length right there. And then you want to copy the directional blur. And then you want to delete the directional blur or the old one right there. And then you want to cut, and then you want to paste it to the new ones that were deleted. And then it would now be like this. And then you can also adjust the duration. Maybe you want it to be at a longer interval, so you can also do this. And as you can see, just like that. And when I just duplicate it, it would look like this. So yeah, that is basically how you do it. And you can also make it longer if you'd want to. You can make it just like that. Or yeah, you can make it 5 frames each depending on how you want it. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching.
If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.